Make a great choice today with the 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, skid plate package, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.